What's up, everybody? My name is Seth. This is Modestly Minimal. And today we're going to be diving in and unboxing a pair of glasses from the last brand of eyewear that you will ever need to investigate. About a year and a half ago, I was trying to find the perfect pair of sunglasses, and I tried all of the big brands. I took my wife around all weekend looking at all of these eyewear stores at, the popular brands, the big brands. They were either too heavy, they slid off my face, I didn't like the way they looked. And then I found Roka. I didn't know anything about Roka, and I saw no real good reviews about Roka. And then I saw that somebody that I had followed for quite a while, Tim Kennedy, endorsed Roka. So I was like, this dude, I've got to buy these. So I bought my first pair of Roka sunglasses. These are the Roka Bartons. They cost me about $250. They are prescription, and I absolutely love these things. Now, if you're watching this video because you're trying to solidify your decision in buying a pair of Roka sunglasses or eyeglasses, you're making the right decision. And if you want $20 off of your order, go to the link in the description below. That'll take you to my link tree for Modestly Minimal. Just click on get $20 off of Roka. It'll take you to their website. That is an affiliate link. So at no additional cost to you, I get a kickback on that as well, and I can continue buying my favorite pair of glasses. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. This is the Civivi Baby Banter that we're going to be opening this with. Ooh, look at that. Pop that out. Let's get rid of that. Nice little custom Roka Do You. These are the Rory glasses. These are men's prescription eyewear. It slides out. I like how everything is so minimal and so clean. This is magnetic. So let's open this up. Ooh, again, Roka clean. Now these 3 cards are 20% off, I believe. Yep, 20% off. So if you are serious about buying, the first 3 people that messages me on Instagram, I will give you this code, and then you can use this in with my link as well. So message me on Instagram. Here are the glasses. Let's set those aside for just a second. Let's look at what's in here. Now, this is their proprietary invention, the gecko pads. And I adore these things. So these are the nose bridges. They give you 3 different sizes. I use size 2, and I use size 2 on my Barton sunglasses as well. So these are non-sliding, very sticky pads, almost like a gecko's foot. I mean, you'll see in the fit test, these things stay on your face. Just set that to the side. A nice little sunglasses sleeve. It says Roka. Very nice, very nice. What is in here? Instructions. We don't need instructions. More instructions. And a little silica gel thing. So if you wanted to keep this box, nice little magnetic box. All right, let's open the glasses. These cases are so nice. They're magnetic. They're nice and sturdy. It's almost like I don't know if it's real leather. It doesn't feel like real leather, but I'm not an expert on that. Ooh, look at that. Nice, soft inside. I love the black and white. It's so minimal and it's so clean. Oh, look at these. Let's take that plastic off. Oh, I just love the way that these things look. They're so clean. And that black just, oh, it looks amazing. Now, they have a nice little bit of flex to them. They have a small size and a regular size. I get the regular size, and I have a pretty decent sized head. And these things fit so comfortably. And you'll see here, these are the little gecko pads, and then they have more little gecko pads back here so that they don't slide. They kind of stick to the side of your head, and they're amazing. Now, if you need to take these out, there are little kind of holes here on the inside, and these that they give you, if you slide this little guy out, he's got a little pokey thing right there, and you just take these and you find the little hole and just pop them out and just pop the new ones in. And that's all on you. Oh, I can't wait to put these on. Let's try them. Okay, I'm so excited to try these on. They came in yesterday, and I need a new pair of glasses because it's getting hard to see with my old ones. They're about 1.5 years, 2 years old in the prescription. So we've made sure that the nose bridge is the right size. Let's try them on. Oh, I can see. Oh, everything's so much clearer. But it's amazing to me how well these glasses fit. Wow. So these are my old glasses. These are, I don't even know if there's a brand. Yeah, there's a brand. Grayson glasses. These are just typical glasses that you get from any, like, I use my eye doctor. So these are just like their typical, maybe $150, $200 just black glasses. And so if I take these off and I put these on, yeah, wow, my eyesight's gotten a lot worse. But these just don't feel right. Now, watch this. This is gonna be weird. Look at that. Now, I don't know how many people are just gonna shake their head like that, but I do a lot of like at-home workouts, and these things like fall off. And as I'm sitting on my computer, if I'm like looking up and looking back down and looking up and looking back down, they gradually just like slide. And that's because there's nothing to hold them on your face. They're just super smooth on the nose bridge. And they're very like front heavy, so they just, whoop, they fall all the way down. And I'm constantly sitting at my computer, you know, having to push them back up, And for paying for these almost what I paid for the Rokas, no comparison. So watch this. This is what I love about these gecko pads. You put this on, they fit perfect because it's almost customizable to your face. Are you ready? No movement whatsoever. I love these things. My Bartons, I wear these at the beach, in the water, out on the boats. I wear them hiking. I wear them to do literally everything. And it's the same thing. A little bit of movement, but these are a little heavier in the front. But not nearly what normal glasses are. And it's 100% attributed to the gecko pads. They're amazing, and these glasses are amazing. Okay friends, so there you have it. That is the complete unboxing and kind of fit test and comparison of the Roka prescription eyewear. I love these glasses, and they fit kind of my 3 rules for a minimalist closet. 1, they make me feel good, and I think they look good. When I wear these, I kind of feel cool. And the same thing with their Barton sunglasses. They just make me feel a different level than what my just normal prescription eyeglasses from the eye doctor made me feel. 2, these are a great investment. I mean, you can literally customize everything. Do you want tortoiseshell? Do you want clear? Do you want black? Do you want some of their other metals? Fine. What kind of lenses do you want? All sorts of options of lenses. They measure your pupil distance to make sure that everything is center and perfect. And everything is customized from the ground up. I mean, the precision they use when making these lenses and making these frames, out of this world. The warranty is amazing, and they're a great company, and they're very fair. So I think the investment side is definitely there. And then my 3rd rule is that they should go with everything. And Roka has so many different styles of men's, women's, prescription, non-prescription, you know, ones that are made for cycling and running, goggles, like just all sorts of things that can fit any lifestyle. And I think that's what's important. Say you want 5 pair, you can have 5 vastly different pair of glasses from the same company. I like to choose ones that are gonna fit no matter what I'm wearing. If I dress up, these are gonna look great. If I'm in a pair of joggers and Adidas Nomads and a built drop cut t-shirt, these are gonna look great. No matter what. And I think that's what makes Roka just an amazing company. So again, if you want $20 off your order, go to the link in the description below. That'll take you to my link tree. Just click the button that says get $20 off Roka. You'll be taken directly to their website and buy your glasses. Remember, the first 3 people that message me on Instagram get the 1-use code for 20% off. After those 3 message me, it's gone. So if you decide you want a pair of these glasses, better act quick, and you better message me on Instagram. Don't put it in the comments down below. Speaking about the comments, if you like this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Let me know to make more stuff like this. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing, because we have a ton more videos like this coming, tons of different brands, tons of different minimalist lifestyle hacks, and just great things all around, and it's all because of you all. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.